We're just walking in towards the den now. The local guy, Moya, is just showing us the way. We just saw one of the dogs, one of the adults again. They just come as quietly as they can. We're digging the pups out of the den now. This is the mouth of the den here, but that extends 2 or 3 meters down and to a chamber where the pups will be. So we've got quite a few hours of digging still to go. Here's the pups. There's 8 of them, about 3 weeks old. Well, it doesn't get much more intense than that. That's not something that we would choose to do. In this case, we had little option. We'll keep the dogs here now for 3 to 4 months at our rehab facility in Hwange, and then we'll begin the process of getting them back into the wild where they belong.